Today is a very important day in Canadian School Bahrain. British Columbia, Canada is proud of being able to have an offshore school here in Bahrain, an exceptional offshore school. This school has taken the curriculum from British Columbia and has elevated it by offering a program that is so practical for students. We have decided a long time ago in education that we need to prepare our children better for their future. Today, we brought banking into the school. This is not just another branch of the bank. This is banking for students to learn how to do banking. It's a real experience, which is what the curriculum encourages. We are privileged to be able to have this event here today. It's something that's going to continue throughout the next year, the next couple of years, as different schools, students gain their literacy in finances.